Hey, and welcome to another episode of the Wizard Study. This is episode 17 of a 52-week episode series. One episode every Thursday, 5 p.m. Eastern. Last week we built this forge here, which is just the base of it. This week we're going to do the upper area. I'm not going to make this a long video. It's going to be another time-lapse video, but it should be pretty quick. If you see anything that you want me to explain in detail in a video, let me know. I'll make a separate video on that. So just sit back, enjoy, let me know what you think. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you don't want to be notified of videos, go ahead and hit those buttons next to the bell and unnotify. But please subscribe and please hit that like button. You should see me, I'm like a little schoolgirl. Once I get a subscriber, I go giddy. Currently at 89 subscribers. Can you be my 100th subscriber? Let's try. Alright, here we go. Alright, well that's it for today. I appreciate you stopping by and watching my video. Again, if you have any comments, please throw them down below. Also, if you would like to submit something for this series, some magical item, even the wizard. I'm not going to be able to draw a wizard. I'm not that good at drawing people. Dennis here that you see is actually a downloaded character. I might be able to dress him up like a wizard, but anyways, if anybody wants to make me a wizard, I'd appreciate that. So if you want to support this project and submit stuff like books, swords, wands, potions, anything magical, anything you want, as long as it's realistic. I mean, I don't want low poly stuff in this series. Maybe I'll do a low poly series next time. I have a lot of people I know that do low poly. Just submit it. There's a link below, dracosocard.com. Go in there. You'll see a little link. I can't remember how I have it worded, but it goes into my Google Drive. You just drop it in there. Notify me. I will do a big presentation at the end of the next episode that follows your submission and let you see it. But this week is going to be this hood, and next week will be, I don't know. What do you guys think next week should be? Submit it by next Tuesday, and maybe that's what I'll make next Tuesday. And as always, stay creative.